what's up, guys? So I'm in my daughter's room and we've got some IKEA furniture, which they make great stuff, but sometimes it ends up like this. This is a disaster. It keeps happening, and I am gonna fix this super easily, so easily that I'm surprised that they don't design this shelf with this fix in mind. But all I have to say, don't throw your shelf out. You can fix it. I'm gonna show you how on this episode of Field Treasure Designs. All right, guys, so I took out all the baskets, and basically the problem with this happening is these sides are stretching out, and that is happening. So basically all we've got to do is get a piece of wood that is the exact same width as this spacer here and attach it to the back, and all it has to do is be thin enough to not hit the lip here and go against that. And so literally it'll sit here, it'll pull these two walls together, it'll go under that so that can come flush, and it'll keep that lip intact so that we don't spill all of our markers. 16 7/8. So then I'm just gonna grab a piece of scrap wood out of my scrap wood box and find the right piece. So I'm actually going to use this as I'm not even gonna need a measure. I'm just gonna set this on top and draw a line. Actually, I'll use a straight edge. And there's my line. Let's see if it fits. All right, so I'm a little bit shorter. I cut just a tad bit shorter, and we're gonna see if that works though. So I think I actually got this measurement right. So now, basically, I am just going to go halfway, or there's 1, 2, 3 bins, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna have it right above the third bin. We're gonna measure it up there. I'm gonna do 2 pilot holes for my screws and attach it. Oh yeah. So now these walls won't pull apart, and you won't even see it. Look at that, dude. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm even trying to make them fall and they won't. So that's it. I don't know why the engineers at IKEA don't have that one little back support holding those walls together, but hey, it was an easy fix. Now this thing will last. It's super useful. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.